HOMERECOMMEND bed frame for your family. We specialize in producing metal beds, bed frames, shelf, and a series of more family-necessary sets. We pay great attention to every detail of the products, including production, testing, packing, etc. to secure every product to be durable and breathable. We design high-quality products for major retailers from all over the world and famous home furnishing product brands. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Manufacturer Guarantee Metal Bed. SGS ISO9001 certified, much OEM brand experience. 1-year warranty, free replacement parts available. Number 2. Durable slats with storage space, full bed platform. Modern dark copper finish, heavy-duty headboard, steel crossbars, support legs, etc. Approx. Length 78 inches by width 54.2 inches. Mattress size 54 inches by 75 inches. 12 inches off the floor for under-bed storage space. Number 3. Solid foundation bed set for heavy people. Weight of 65 pounds with max support around 200 to 400 pounds. Sturdy and stable. Years of lasting use. Number 4. Easy to assemble smart base frame. Strong package, all parts included, no tools needed. Getting all the parts in place first, fasten all the screws finally. Number 5. No quaking and scratching box spring replacement, can replace or accommodate any box spring without squeak or noise. Enjoy all night good sleep without tossing and turning. Number 6. High quality. Classic design and power coating finish provide corrosion resistance in dry environments. There is enough space for storage, 12 inches under bed clearance. No box spring is needed. A mattress can be put on the slates directly. Number 7. Thoughtful details. Additional 7 reinforced legs and 16 steel metal slats improve the durability and stability of the bed frame. The bed frame will not make noise when all the screws are fixed tightly. The bottom of the support foot is provided with a non-slip pad to avoid scratching vibration. Number 8. Product assembly. The bed frame comes with all parts and hardware packages. The name and number of each accessory are reflected in the manual. The instruction is easy to follow, and the assembly video has been uploaded, only easily assembled in minutes. Number 9. Product package. All accessories are packed in a sturdy box. Try to avoid damage during logistics transportation. We don't release our products until it is perfect. We hope you can enjoy the use of the goods after receiving them, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.